Welcome to this episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Here's our question for today. What is your favorite electric guitar for around $600? A very good question from a friend. However, it's not very tightly defined, so I'm going to have to examine a lot of different possibilities. He doesn't tell us for what kind of music, he doesn't tell us if he's talking about a 6-string, a 7-string, or even more string. So I will try to weave through all those possibilities as quickly and as clearly as possible. So if we're talking about a metal guitar, a guitar that's going to be used to play some kind of metal music and all its different spin-offs, then I would probably suggest an Ibanez guitar, just like the one I'm holding right here. This is a premium model from the premium series, and this was custom made for me as part of my sponsoring by Ibanez, but definitely you don't have to get a custom made instrument. You can buy a regular off-the-rack instrument. What I suggest is buying one of the most famous models and buying it used. This way, if you have a $600 more or less, you can buy a really good guitar for this amount of money. So which models would I suggest for the Ibanez? I would go for the legendary 550. Pretty much the 470 is a really good guitar. The premium series, very well done, excellent tremolo. And these will be my top choices if you want to play metal and you only want to spend $600. Now, if you don't have a specific kind of style that you want to concentrate on, so you're thinking maybe I will play some blues, maybe I will play some rock, maybe I'll play some funk, I haven't decided yet, I just want to get started and but I want the guitar to be pretty good. I would say play it safe and go for an American Fender Stratocaster. If you buy this used again, it's going to be around more or less $600. And this is a guitar that's good enough for pretty much everything. It's very easy to fix if anything goes wrong. It's very easy to sell and it's very easy to buy again. So it's a pretty good guitar for whatever you want to do without being amazing in any specific thing. So if you don't have a specific style that you want to concentrate in, or you're still trying to find your way around and you want to get a guitar that's decent, then buy an American Fender Stratocaster. And let's move on to 7-string guitars. The 7-string Hellraiser from Schecter Guitars is my favorite guitar as far as the 7-string instruments are concerned. It's very inexpensive, you can easily find one for $600 used, and it's very well done. Very well created, very well constructed, very good sound, good woods, decent neck, very good pickups, so it's very good for its money. One thing I would suggest is to try to buy a model that doesn't have a tremolo, because when you have a 7-string guitar, not having a tremolo makes it much easier in several cases for not losing the tuning and creating the strong, very heavy sound of the 7-string guitar. So this would be my suggested choice. So those three choices, Ibanez, a Fender Stratocaster and a Schecter, would be what I would suggest for someone who only has $600 to spend and wants to get a good quality guitar without it being something extravagantly expensive, but way more than just a beginner instrument. So there you have it. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for tuning in and watching this video, and I will see you on the next Ask the Guitar Coach.